So a qua fini, maybe it's 9 years. You so who sem galamsey no me share track no from Insuta. What I'm using in Otakwa kakra. To be stretch them kakra. Free takra did by Suta. I took galamsey I set retracts a trim goods manganese bauxite manganese from Insuta. Western region Suta and the qua port near the call mining is king. I say now no takwa baby I'm training here sukakra takwa as so the two galamsey na be shop ase am na oh join us like a year
me
station 1 year and probably na me hwesi na mu so mai as from now anya careful o my entiasempa info nyina wo Ghana ha me hu de on fa na no ntumu ya kasa yura santebai ura 2482 or to be what I'm saying once on numerous occasions or checking Osaje for motive for penny also ka ho said also environmentalist also ka ho said bebre politicians be so ka ho said na ya careful one her mai it one day a Timwana cave in on us. One day a Timwana galamsey a cave in on all of us. Ubianka say me and responsible legal mining. Yamina de achaying, TSA 18 years free home. Never for the bomb bra. But the rata, yes, say Japadi saying so. Ghana, they say be bio my mubia in Porto. It is so beka ho dia na ise mai yasem de ye mo bochen obi a tell me the son of pay the why no obi organ ni bia regardless of your political affiliation I would tell you pay when you say you've been a very frank, honest, dispassionate observer I mean in the galamsey menesa threatening your livelihoods and security as a nation. It made us now your fellow journalists should be doing the same. When a matter comes up, spend time. Nehu dia ukaye afie twemu dia ukanene for everybody see the consistency, because in English was there's value in consistency. Then they say we na one person na we wait here no the other we no one dey about the ball ban one the botechi. I think say if you beginning to build our nation on that trajectory now ebebo anyina na do be NPP kwandis but Ghana for ya na ko share parties ni me no me din se bone Ghana for ya me no me no tie yanya na ko share NDC NPP we din se bone only the little party politics. And as unfortunately say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, you are the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. Ghana couldn't be a crowd. So campaigns the big means that campaigns, they are financing the political campaigns in this country. Yes. So much. Let's come the body back to languages. Yes. And these things are being imported into the country, and you import never back. You need to and then still excavators in my mind. That's not critical for the portal. And it seems that one radako. It said the democracy Ghana for their shares here. Even you. Now the democracy is more Ghana for the immediate more Ghana for. Because Suya Ban will be a person Yaban. But Suya Ban goes like a week, see, no point. Democracy na ye na say DETT the panel no ye adwuma democracy no mum na say di o mining
na obey a member of parliament some more parliament na Ghana for ka e amote
yete pa so mo ye do so chenye
okay
Ghana de ko no o mo ye galamsey o Ghana ha no ba bia be ko mo do so chenye bi boni bi e ko so Ghana bi ano mo ye ne do so chenye mo enye bi eno mo enye so na e wa no it to a bribe microphone system to destroy people. Yes. You got a man akwe. O man obi a obeso mu takiri bia obi a ono mo nya adwen. What they say? Yes, we share in this side, we go mo ye galamsey. O buy so side we mo ye galamsey. Enti ye enye your minor sem, enye NPP asem nye this your minor sem. You at my money, no way, ba, no we share, now phone kind of crack. Now, but I never do baby, now in so crowd, one no. Yes, all crack. Let me hear crowd, my inquiry, we crack. A toothpick a crack. Be a so gonna be a crack. It is super can one, and I said a minor. So, virtually a tall minor, and a team. I'm a brofo. It is very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate. I think that's my bit on it.
Dear, your honest view, because possibly, Obeba Bedi party name as a general secretary.
Thank you.
And I like Unyomana Watchon, courage, discipline, integrity. Meaning say eba galamsey any sika shima esika. And then you admit to say omunsu sika ne boa mo mamanyofo no. We cannot dispute that. Ewo. And one of the challenge Japan so the ball momo ne say mo party no kra de mo alliances bebree mankofu tu bebree. Senyami aduma obeye general secretary. How are you going to ensure say galamsey?
Who said Ghana highlight
within your party?
It be ka brofo kasa ba ko say and I can phrase back on. They are confusion assembly a license. If you cry there no a prospecting license. What they say? What your ministry or say or cohesive baby or they chrono say gold or what? It is prospecting license. And so go do about do baby no. Na to scout from home. No tell you to galam say.
So uncle Hekeke.
Uncle Hekeke o no ba. See me who say oh me krom kwabre ba my hay. Asase bi da ho. You know say sika ho ko so. Enti no abayman no prospecting license no ban ko hwe. What do I say? Abayman ba no no started to galam say no. But who do you blame? EPA for ka ho. Abayman no nya ban ko Ministry of Lands wo ho no. Just vibration ase. Ah, mo ni ye adwuma. Enti say Environmental Protection Agency for no and authority for no say hwe ema side man cost no man hwe. I don't need me it mean any pedi.
Okay.
What the man will be at the party color section ho. The NDC ni, the NPP ni. Ka sabe ba I no bump na asma sesa. Ubo no ni pa na wo no wan so che ka che minister say wo NPP ni or sabotage aban no. Me wan so na papa on the kind of correction. I believe say we have to sanitize it. Adwuma na de ese mo kwan na mo kura mo ye responsible mining no. Ese mo your mining. There's nothing wrong with it. And the aban is ka na wo tu. But say forest mining is man the airline 2462 the buy in na you see a reversing in no. As a reverse because you have to protect our forest no. Because no any and that's what is giving us what in terms of
in busa on that airline na ma kwan say president timi man say forest reserve bi nkodimu now who parliament then out na
only something in parliament these things are passed sometimes without you even realizing. Well then Ghana parliament give be answer o me you say better man and Ghana parliament kwa ma win yes
say parliament ma kwa ma win
yes the intention is for you not to read.
Ona momentiazi
accept na make accept na ko tell na make accept
parliament ma kwa ma win
sometimes you can accept na fe me print paper na you share with them debate ko so na ya na wa ma no TV is it no the more TV no na to na mo check person na ya them
it is
a normal a committee level how do be chance
akinkan
committee level there say how there we be 20 18 we time I justice to the document if you about them one na dem ko ta pass ko na be credit them hey yes
really
yes
tia you nim say we are thorough reading in us
and I make say when I'm free that make can once much the intention is o me ko pay bi mo dey na pay pa when this hotel dem I am using the intention is for you not to read
really
yes
when to make crash scrutinize
I go be call parliament o mo to be kasa no but to have this wa bon yes wa bon and as onim kasa is because as ma unim asem no na pa say baby e mo me ne dey adwuma constitution on standing orders utu sorry na asem na wo kan we so we kwajo source ama source person transi we asma kan enimrem what you say etino say that the man now the committee level there you do justice to the
scrutinize
yes how they say adwuma no
okay
but no free committee but them there I can assure you say about 65-70% of the people don't even get a chance to read it.
nti ba na ye ni no
so speaker be fere gwa the pakwa ni dem
nso ni agye atum
say dey a committee na ba say bibia ba bia refer to committee bibia ba bia no a speaker will refer to the appropriate committee. And they say about minds and energy, which is that I'm saying one more. So they probably either will move to the Akufodia Ada and baby over the weekend. You call Friday, be about Monday, and not Tuesday. You call justice to the subject. If we do them who we are, say by a report we are clerk we are chairman besign, ranking besign. Clear about them. About them I asked to the passage there. Yes, they be very contentious. And I'm going to report them.
This is a normal one. The internet
me how LI 246 to ever parliament. That's why I was there. Yes, and so what other people so. Because I'm the mini committee so.
What?
My partner don't be in the committee. You want to bring them. What they say? Because I want him to say what can be around for the atna. And you want to say it's not the committee level. And then you want to call committee. Maybe a bit raise yourself now. Maybe a first reading, second down the movie. No one full. That's it. We want and the brain. You don't actually know. I just a belly not documented out to yeah. And not in the way. Well, you are reading through a lot of things in a day.
And then all my revelations.
Oh yeah, that's what's happening. But everybody will tell you. It's not rocket science.
Because committee for the money, but more
committee the amount. It is a me. Na me secretary na me employment social welfare committee chair. Na me in charge of all state agencies, almost audited accounts. It I know the over bit back and baby because abame ho.
Right.
And I said me can't tell say me clerk na me rank ya ni hu so question busa. That understand. I say who be on my saying that me minister committee this one. Na adeso ba na maintain them be and ye kan. How do you get to know?
JSA and Eze.
No money in other.
You only know it when we are discussing parliament.
Yes. As long as I didn't be say yes. That's why I said the final. Because see, in any given day, you have about 20-30 pressing matters on when a friend is a other paper. What they say, no man, you're making kind. You know, that's why I change committees. As committee, where is referred to this committee? The committee is not just break off and go and stay in. It is better to go and debate and now committee meeting. Last a critical idea of parliament. I think it's supposed to do with the recomposition of the committee. I was chairing a meeting, and I got a call from the leadership. Say, "It's a big job. I'm not meeting Yama. Was here booked for 5 days. I'm the chairman. The free there's a concept of consulting me for time."
And internet to be a baby or what? Just a gada baby, a movie.
Yes. What's about numbers?
And no.
Oh, that's the nature of the work. Say Parliament, you know, I said there be a contract one on a committee, you know about 67%.
No, but Metias here, in TCB, a committee, I ain't even Kasoke Munyam Juma.
Budget, budget. Now, no, Joma buy. How many ministries work? It's about 21. It's budget bien combating committee now. We know committee. I was all that 2 committees were. Can't I meet with one winner or contra meet with him? It's a member of social welfare. Not me make a check. Me call a friend saying, "My son, the Jima sign." No matter how kakra. No, some check me meeting. Because I say, yeah, appropriation no on a certain date. What they say, it's appropriation no. So who the and I also know. Say you are going to do all the agencies. We are going to bring their baggage for you to go through with them.
Wow.
Again, because the idea grow whole. A Juma head day pa. It's committee the year Juma Parliament. They are not speaker refer.
It's a committee need you to say ko ene bi kra na ene mboa.
Oh, so committee you to say on young say ranking opposition a minority and majority. Indiana debate course wo.
Right.
Indiana then the other consensus. This is
but the holiday say am on time kosa.
I must say that panel committee are okuye to win free so. What we see.
Sir.
No say I drink say. But who most of TV naso. And so ne can asem. What they say but parliament hono edwuma no do na committee level. We not we say we be say be debate here who say here no. That's a parliament committee at transfer we.
They say airline no kra no bi wo ho ate say they okay. Akufu ado die a o mo sensan no won kai.
Enye Akufu ado de Ghana ban de.
That's a cabinet.
Something chassis. Yes.
So no in every cabinet.
Oh yes, but the what I'm trying to say is we were running about 60%. I don't know. Yes.
Now who?
Me the first time who was Asemba hon. Oh, there's a to be fair. Me and Asma hon. Asemba hon answer obi akwa kwa say hey. So some Maya, what drink so I say upon the committee, say gas will be a cobocro, no one will be a for Bibiana, he be critical pana. Why don't you normal questions?
Because I was thinking, say, and this for a moment, you bring Monsomo Kahona Ella, you too.
They said that time no many numbers. So, and I will say, committee in Yagitu, we are never for more a different, but men are more last committee. So,
okay,
me. Second term, and I'm also me. Another committee.
Okay.
It minimum man koso. You know, Brigadier Kotia.
Okay.
Was dealing with us a lot. Boundary Commission for they were doing that a lot. That means no man koso in almost determination to fight Sanko for the other day. But after a certain point, you get moved on into another committee. It's the issue honor. So when you be our friend. But I cannot be friend because they do say, man, I might say, sir, we can call more than 2 committees. So committee won't be 2 class. Pressure. No, what I tell you, I'm also the time shepherd.
Yes, more.
The saying I started 10. Last year started 10. Social welfare started 10. It's you for hack or sign, no matter what I know about a chair with you. We never get it done.
Honorable Eugene Boakye Antwi, a General Secretary hopeful, and an NPP common or a former member of Parliament for Subin constituency. I was a woman fan chair sound, no, a baby or challenges kakra womb. Yate, ye, when you must see, I can say, technicians in the Gusruha, or Moya, where you might see, Monfa and Chair, Kakranka Krebefa. My member, NPP. Mo party dear Queen, a yamofe.
No, pay medical chatty for the legal I'm saying, no, hot in Tina. As I can want medical chatty for now. I don't mean as a son of person. And they say this morning you've done the Lord's work.
Yes,
as others will be high. High and will be at being trunk. I say, we NDC in NPP because I said about no be who the Kufuor president okay and then Bahamas president the Walker. I said about Kunana Walker, which is very good. I think it's commendable. The NPP there, be a true any opposition party will be a free abembo position. And more we are CCC, you know, say co-election win here. Will be a crop for, will be a disca, but only super will be a crop for, will be a faraway, will be a disca, will be a normal politics. But I think the level of indiscipline may witness when these MPP say, me who be that.
As a
oh yes, and yet
indiscipline.
Yes, I mean sometimes you go on air, you go on social media in the mornings. You know, many them may start caution them, and no my cafe
MPP more.
Yes, because MPP I can't say a persuadable form of the MPP anymore. A kind of wait it here and the MPP anymore.
Right.
You're not looking for angels to come and lead the party. Bamia, I said one home. Kena Japan, I said one home. Brian Champion, I said one home. Educhum, I said one home. Soon I come to Japan, I said one home. Ubia, I said one home. But the party they call it say party ni okay before. It is a Jumano, they say about 12. Now, but so pa na 15 cents of wine. 100,000 cents of whey. Okay? And then MPP be a would be and ye. And Corona bag I did no Codano. I would be a small could you attempt room be a channel. Yeah, you medals. Where you know I inherit will be enemies for life.
Be a time for
quack. Time to Quania could be a giant. Ubie no wow cook for one chair me amateur. Ubie no sentiment. Any Ghana fan, and you'll be no Kofekufuado, is here concern me watching. But you inherit his enemies for the rest of your life. When you're careful, that will be the end of you. Yes. Now, and on 9 chairs, I send piano, meaning a penny a bichum Kasai. Bitiano. Also, Bopa me would be Matemoho. Near Tobani, we now say, oh, be you who and said Mecano. Now, the choir president. As I said, the Baby Smith, and I'm not a Baby Smith, Uma Obongo for Passo Minimatem. 1979, BBC on my way.
Right.
79 yɛbɛkɔ conference no asɛm a meka bia yɛ asɛm a the late Victor Usu ka kyerɛ me ansa na wɔwu may you so rest in perfect peace.
Right.
Ɔsɛ time a akonnwa no bɛtɔɔyɛ no ɛyɛ sɛ 69 ɛtɔɔyɛ no saa kɔfɔ so kwamena wɔn watena Kofi Abrefa Buzia de sɛ ɔno de odwane kɔ exile ba Buzia nkɔ exile Buzia no ɔyare fo sɛbe ɔyɛ sickler eti kakra no kuma kyerɛ bi akɔ bɛwu that's why Buzia fled.
Okay.
Eti Victor no hold fort na yɛdɔm kɔ prison ya de time to stand on so kwamena na ewu gyina ɔsɛ dɛbi yɛ party ne painful that na any die wɔ hɔ na obuo hɔ
at that time.
yes and Victor Usu wrote to the then Legon Observer said once Buzia and NPP will be on the not there uncontested and that's what paved the way for Buzia. If you go now on Victor Jinaya if you can be Victor because Victor was then seen as the darling boy of the party because I lawyer so you know on the casa the parliament near the fine then 79 naka Pauli nkwa and I said na other pastor tiase but that Pauli like the mainstream naka the corner Pauli si onyina na o afanya me ti
ko ai pa
say William Ofuriata
okay
into the bibia tai Victor Echi
okay
Victor winning is a king and Asantefo be free search there me mbodi en ha no pa be hu omo ze da bi na back with the head of state da intina or connections kreska no say akwa we man president da bibia ka de free Asante na ko o me no ko shen crop nsemo ni na free nsemo ni na party mu nsemo ni na free
there's a UP asem na wo
yes
UP
na ya Victor no asecheni no ono ani nu asechefo e ko fa pa uli bai and they know themselves on the Pauli bai just to scatter Victor's ambition. Pauli suba a prefan no muntimi omunyo bia no de fa Pauli was also a cabinet minister why say Victor na ni Pauli bai it e koto aba no NPP PFP final rally ye ko no check na himfie park na da ho no on e ko rally no and na PFP for to join adego no bi no mu join fita no the US college good ko because Pauli no ne ko ono ani papa ahimfie animu say Pauli no say we jimi for sabi the two about the first round no there wasn't an outright winner. Let's say second round.
Mo prime minister
NPP I feel they reach at to eko. So say Pauli dey na e fa ju at anko. There suma nipa. Pauli an kan he so do tie. E be ka say Bosumi as say na oje full page all the dailies at the time graphic Spectator Mirror tie oje ni na so US for ina ko to ma Emma Liman. That's what constituted the presidency. You refuse and chronodos who I did him to nim abakosem. It will not be contest. Now can some yacheno or can some yacheno pakigu. Abayako will be in the debate at the 1st January. It's here by will be a winning first, will be a winning. Let's say Casaba. No be sure no more church of one. And I won't cross for church of one. Boko Goody, Saint Cocona. The message among people before. Message. After all this, we have to unite.
I say unity. I say what counts. What can
you see? It's a bia. We don't need to bakosem no. We don't need and one out of emotions. And then pay for some so much. We don't pay for no yes. I mean, oh my shock, man, was so pushing. Who said the good thing about this contest in 2023? Say, my share you many man transport to bia. It is no bia kasa. Even someone else in a minina. And someone else in a minim from pay for na church or sano mano. Mun pursue. Nano, ye Bamian Crawford, Omedina share former appointees. Yes, our Bocrono, the Samuel who are born near Koyi Canada, so Omedina, she wear Crawford saying, Sanko Fuyana, Sabi Papawa. I want to be ministers. Now, why would he can't catch a woody catch a whooping and say, Samuel who are born?
Or Crawford,
or Market of Homes who are born. Well, a time I can yes, we find X no. We Chimo station, you ask a casement. We Chimo Samuel who are born, say one theatre class who are born. Only in Johanna and you are born the end of the Casa. Can Japan so Crawford will be a friend of Bain, former boss. Also, the also boss in our buy. Moon, I'm going to say we're in a bow. That is for what you may be. Omo and Wogo. No Chebi, so Mubakuya, and go food the Ghana Penia. Omo aso mo kan no Ghana for ebesate. But mo na mo troy. And some people from yes, some of us we know them. They should stop it.
NPP for na bia na ehye
for matna cabinet mu di MP. Mudi san semone no omunyai.
Nti say ehunu social media na young guy bi di atema. Eto bia na free panyi ho.
Yes, because so dey way, I go say ayache. Obi ya dey that dey way dey free na joint for obi na church. What we must do so be church. Because see NPP stands a better chance of winning 2028. Because John Mahama will not be a candidate. Almost on top of it, started NDC. But again, the victory no way the moon at the ending no. You do baby na apimo. And what mean I'm the NPP for on this matter? Whoever emerges out of this contest, whoever party be trouble man must come and find a team, not a battlefield. Why be you be no? You have to be ready. The others have to be ready to work and support you to become president. You don't want to come and then one freeway and I win crop for and I will wait out and I will say no. That's not what you do. I don't know what could take you a year and a half. Because we'll be above. We don't need it. And it's not about who leads this party. It's about the image the party presents to Ghana. A disciplined image, a matured image, and a visionary image. So nobody can win an election in this country. Obi win an election be a president. But about the two, so be a dear room. What I say about nobody will get 100%. Obi they say we probably only 1% rather than the room. 1%, you know, a bad national election a huge. Almost 1%, but about 1%, a huge. You can cry back and say. Akunya na ato MPP ni bia ho kwan se ofa form so be gina bi emre se obi akwan ye ma omonko delegates na ombeto aba na mo dos 94%, police station for the dos no 94%. Here was record 2 billion 6%. If you electoral area coordinators constituency region national former MP former one year you have 6%. It will be on us one form and go turn us na party for no enko yi nipa no me saka sasoma me nuanom MPs region national constituency yenye careful because you see ade we nyina enkemfo ano elections no be winning national elections o mayi mu a polling station for coordinators for if anything constituency executives
right
omo na de and pursue no win power, not the candidate. But I'm going to be winning power, man. Can Japan going to be winning power? But Champon, Dr. Duchum, Kwame Japan, no going to be here, and until the party is synchrophone, I be and could be nice. It would mean follow me. Me say top down or bottom up, the central or the pivot executive polling station for I'm the Bia ho. I'm the said well Ghana. People forget. We are so sometimes myopic in our thinking. Ghana, you have about 90,000 settlements. 90,000. Rollins a crowd town my for 19 years now. You may be able to be quiet. What I say? Yeah. If you get NPP, February NPP. Last election, Dr. Babian was a candidate. Dr. Babian 270 so baby but how many hours to deal constituency be? They say you man soon. Into be jaho, ujaho is constituency executives in Naso. Na coordinators na so na polling station na so only you want to call from. They are the heartbeat of our party. They carry us to victory. I say if you kwanya ese a pesika any training ma o monom tim di ye adwuma no e na ese ye asode enye make bi actually we na make bi actually we no eno na be editumi be ba o na o be general secretary say o be ba no na nchichemu wo ho obeba no na nyoma nche den na wo betimi aye. Number one, pretty straightforward. Number one, we have to strengthen our structures. Okay. Number one, your membership database. Cause for concern. Member ho. Your fundraising. Musika je. Number two. And the other one, how to deal with the training of police station, a form for the police station constituency. Database, NPP, 33 years in it. NPP, you need membership database.
Do I member? Do I member?
Yes, I don't want to delegates at no. They are not made up. I mean, there are other members. So I think amendments were quite young. Maybe it should be, as we speak, there were 3 living former members of Parliament to be. I think they are more to be. And there are so many others on one system no more. Why maybe a former police station, former ways. I go for have to be roped in. You know, but I'm just saying it's something that we must do before January 2028.
Right.
Because we need election democracy is about numbers, a numbers game. So we need to bring all the former people on board.
Now to be a card member, I'm person with
the so almost say, you started membership, you know, almost say, 2009. Almost can say, okay, yeah, infiltration, and this will be room.
Okay.
80, yeah, 5 no. But in taking intermediate steps, these were the words of Dr. Jimmy Heyman, who was the Professor Okoye that time. 16 years in Tilinge. Now no cry even you pay you upon the argument, but proposal about say okay, see a new moment wabontina fine. Granted. But yema former in kind of fooding enough from police station up no. Umina if I know starting block. Now I feel police station man on next say police station for the sake of recruit nipa. But be na chairman be to the baby and I coordinate bit the so become MPP new. Na meda register. Or me register no. I say that's how you get the members because Oma see party new munim no so. No the Omaba. So he is going to be the referee.
Because I'm thinking maybe a Subin ya toma na munya say.
Subin me call Subin menya under 40,000.
And here the infant say 50,000 poa.
What the fancy 40,000?
40,000.
There were about 5,000 committed people to you as members of the
so that's where my challenge
because you see I'm not Nyako interest.
Because I then be a 40,000 MPP for na yentimi nya omo committed say be a 5,000 be a omo contribute to omo work hard. Na de bia no mo twe for bo meanwhile so e bi kra na komo per particular candidate na akwa a problem
eti eno ho na mame eno ma mienu a me pesa pesa de ka ho ye me pesa me kora me back to
right
on party you wo abako sem bebre
right
but you see for some reason no you keep records your record keeping de ba ko edi enya no more cost in the 50s, so I cost in the 60s, I cost in the 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s, and so 1954, 22nd July, JB Dankwa, a letter, a former party in the General Secretary, that's like Ghana Congress Party, they did Buzia, a co-parliament.
Right.
Yes, you guys can friend no Sakishek.
Okay.
JB Dankwa asked me, I'll quote JB Dankwa, or say, I have never believed that we can build our party's financial position on the basis of compulsory levy on the few. That was 1954. How many years? Over 70 years.
And
why that's woman? Now, no, you say, you talk about your lose. You just came to our office. 2 months before you just came to our office, or more office, you just came to our office. The social media. Last 2 weeks ago, I say, can you cry? I hope a party of your say, it's all because we are trying to levy a few people. But meanwhile, your members are no be a quite trade dues 1 city, maybe 2 million members, Krana, or Mayimua, a 2 million Ghana cities every month. About power. Your intimate constituency be investments, okay, winning. Constituency be as I say, they be able to Muscano. If you be able to treasure bill for say 1 million Ghana cedis. A constituency, your chairman there, and your secretary there, and your organizer there, a constituency there, and the constituency account to me. And the bank, you're more BBI, it's a big commercial bank. You're my bank, general secretary, and chairman, general secretary, committee, I'm a bank beer instructions, says Sicano, interesting one who political party account. Can you fix and now? I didn't will be a constituency chairman, and I will be a constituency secretary, and our treasurer, and our BBI. There be say a year back, so no peace counter. You Majumano. Majuma say a resource woman. Ye pesca, partly pesca, and the ma woman, now you Majuma. It is all quite a year. I ain't question as to say every month and every 3 months. We are 35,000 to account to one. We 1 million. Now we are 13.5 krana. Yeah, we have 35,000. And on the account to one. There be a scout constituency of the run constituency. Sekabe ko be here fuel, you can get that. Yeah, what's wrong? Yeah, they see a dream on form by trying to mobilize money for them. What I say?
Yeah.
Now we obi Kobre be the chairman and obi Kobre be the secretary. Yeah. What's up? I can't say when they are able to do no Santa Memha. If Sunday could see Monday, there be one call food now call 1 week and now call Ipa. Says Calabo Free. And then this star should be like chairman for the council executive force. Into the party, no, about power. 8 years. As a Cassian Yeko, it's a constituency be at least on the financial independence. National party, regional party. That's as canon, at least every 3 months be ano. And the Bosa one of Mobako be say 3 months can about Bakutria. And yes, out of my way. I didn't say yes, out of my way. A question she will say, because we cannot build JB Dan Quasmo Cano than 54 no, and one I also know. Whether be a targeting of Phobis, oh, Yeko, but you see, me part of an get free. What was that? You will be a corner of GV, not to be a power winner or chip pushing or Pabenaka. So my man's going to push them on.
Yeah.
What do I say? And I feel so. You who said, you probably breathe by Yabemwa, yes, anymore, me, a member of the audit committee. Many who fought on Atlantic Ghana from 2007. Obi one or party near all region, I'm calling me. As we call chairman of that committee, no. Nipa about no only 30%, 70% minimum. Yes. And I'm very good with faces and names. Let me know. I didn't catch it because they were not members. I didn't know about you. A bit more Mahama by when you made Minerals Commission. I was so in I feel that warrior sign. Ghana Airport, that's what you yes, because you need to be at the tracks of members as well when you're members. And if you don't have a membership database, it's also members in it. You might buy the more and don't benefit it. Then you be grow because someone from the Bioma
right.
It you have to create a database. Nipa baby will be a Ghana baby will be a no constituency of Ghana. It will link it to a constituency.
Right.
Constituency chairman name. Say we mun all London and almost England. Ye Pisca, from Boakye. If I ha near who post banner Chalomba Gibia. Obi him says, Uncle Foodier on Boakye.
Now, Obey says, so Obey anything.
It's straightforward. And then I did this of say we have to introduce digitalization into our setup.
Yeah.
Enti say the panel register NPP card. And they say with the advent of Ghana card, it will be more virtually going to be a Ghana card. And what about this 6 to 14 years old almost started registering this month. Yeah, you do Ghana card. Ghana card don't quite the next home. So the Ghana card number now must be their membership number. Maybe or TBR only Ghana card crana. Ghana for do one I so be able to do Ghana card, you can't do anything. Ghana for never beg Ghana card. Mimi to in the last 1 year, many people over 100 beg Ghana cards. Well, that you can't do anything. Would be your sim, would be your account, it will be here Ghana card, Ghana card to register. Maybe I will be all we need to know is me using Boakye. Me talk about Subin Polling Station 107A. Boakye Memorial Temporary Booth. On a talk about. Into a constituency. If you then have to then know it's a pretty list of members in Ghana. Subin executives ni members are wabruchi. Well, party no a capture some information on crime.
Right.
It's a matter of just either sending electronically or print the hard copies for them. Sankophone, I do about 2 Biana. We involve them. Because then the chest of the members.
All right.
Will be a member and about to know here that is the thing to do with the membership database.
Okay.
To fundraising, sorry.
Right.
And a bit database, that's my cunning in Abu.
Yeah.
Then the next thing is discipline.
Discipline,
Me a Manchester United ni. Do we can be a man in team. If my force say right is right, wrong is wrong.
Right.
Crapping for can be say I said adnenya inye. Won't make I say yet today ma Kofi Asante ayade. No you any. But I'm not going to talk already. Already in the budget. Once people don't see fairness, they always complain. They always agitate. And let's Ferguson case. You don't say Manchester United. Also, once you bid farewell to discipline, you say goodbye to success.
Right.
What I say, Constitution. I can't call 4, Article 4. 747 misconduct. It was about factionalism. A DNT now we a constituency penny, and now we a police station penny, and now we a electoral area penny, and now we MP. Now Timmy just simply because a medium sport away. Factionalism.
ni kwanza okaza
unni sa kwan no the party constitution be say you gonna throw you where article 447 misconduct will say a complaint shall involve an allegation that any of the following acts of misconduct will lead to a member. A can member and can MP and can member, yeah. Violation of the duties of a member, violent, dangerous, or intimidating conduct against another member, falsification of reports, accounts, expense claims, or other fraudulent conduct, willful damage to party property, breach of the duty to uphold publicly party policies, creation of discord or factionalism within the party. Yes, only now. Okay. Now, Chichemu. It is Obikase. A young Obikase, a mammy to me, my 2 million, who have constitution about to me. Constitution, and I assume. And the normal son won't make us a chairman when I'm so. Once Albania audio. And now Benya said, a third person report or third person report. But once I will audio, some me Eugene will change to major simple, so I buy to me to be. I say, go to my Quabrani and Asimesi. And some breaching contract in Bibreo. Yes, Mokonda, yes, because you need penny for me. See, open your move, party for no and show we quo. You don't buy some assume you party. You don't want to tell me you penny, there wasn't coming on. Aha, we saw a penny, maybe we are regional chairman, national chairman, maybe a regional constituency chairman. It feels a moody, Mona, I didn't you do baby a permanent problem now, so they're back. Okay, I say, it is a moody me. I don't care any preference. What preference? All right. But you can say move. Yeah, but I say about too much messy. Say what kind of form? Ubi ante. Let's say chairman won't trim wa flouty. Me pacho be move here then. There be some ibusa. Oh dear. Some me meet me. Pacho I no pay me buy. Mama to come. Say because we be say attack you know. Say we will attack. Say no ibusa. It's against the. Say you won't trim one. Ona me hu e bia you are not being fair to him. No. Okay. Say who be a bo. Me more. But who say you won't trim one. Minim. Say no ono na madam for no ntimi okay madam for na o ma kwasa ka madam for no so madam for no dey on fa ba umi and agro to ono dey otimi ye dey chairman say you have so many ways of campaigning okay but so be you anim sa ne dey because we chairman party titani national region constituency number ju and ju ifo but as here we assembly aba nobody can bypass you the chairman and go and take action. They'll come to you. Okay. Now, I didn't start. We started. No one, we start here. Okay, yeah. Now, say we are ipemu. Eti kakra esi the share also say. Right. We must ensure that Bianca Sano as leaders, we are disciplined enough. Okay. And don't just say, "You might be any preference. Obi on preference." But never so you and him. And he can say, "Ha," because I said the bar. What the you want to say my strength, and I think say my traction in the system is because I've not aligned myself to any of the candidates. It will be a bit me, but me say, oh, me 5 minutes drive. Mako be out here, me fee. Yeah. Mako office. Educhum, Mako office. Kere Japan, Mako the fee. No office na last park na so two kwan. Mako be champion fee in the office. Kobe Japan Mako the fee. Me no be ate. No me na so you fine. Abanse be to be. Yeah. But me can be NTOB. Because I want them to feel say I'll be able to unite them because I'm fair to all of them. Oh, okay. Oh, they say, but omunya bibiki to every say now we cross say odi we here. Very hard. Abana Okotunu he will be asked support to. And now you want to speak from a very commanding position. Say you are the general secretary talking and you are talking from a point of objectivity. Obi am say won't be here. Oh, they abana woka. And now some respect to you unite my thing because masa with the can see the could be a pen. You tefra here say one or naya no butu wako anye we ne go tanachi. It makes sense. Right. But once on who's why be tiano on fancho. Okay. I care about 3-4 minutes be. Maybe so say nti delegates no denti na mo support to. Oh sir, no man be say no man say here to win power. What you say? And no man say win power no. One party like structural reforms. Right. We need to unite the party. We need to strengthen the structures. We need to we need to strengthen the structure. We need to unite the structure. We need to digitalize our systems. You see, I'm not just going to manage a political party. I'm going to modernize it. Okay. What I say? We're going to be no man from 92 no. and expect different results. What I say, the party's management system must be managed in such a way that is very modernistic, is very futuristic. What I say, and Obia can align to the own. And no ma neko say be ade na now, so the focus should be more on elected officers now. Make call rounds. When there's some call rounds, my call rounds. I share almost all the chairman, constituency chairman from all the regions.
Right.
Woman organizer, the deputy secretary to my share. Region secretary to share. What we must bear in mind is the party is your monaso. And it's our job to go and raise money to come and support them.
Right.
And Obi only me the end say I've always raised money. I raised a lot of money for the party as a deputy minister. Your board will attest to it. And even before becoming an MP, I was raising money for Nanado campaign. And the raising money is not a problem. I think that most of the business people are saying to the Eugene, say, "Oh, but now this kind of mawa, you see, we must make sure that we resource your polling station for them." And I'm sure say, "Ukosubia, I want to be the MP." When it comes to election day, it's always on top of my priority. The beer don't want to sorry if you policies also could be on Saho and a part time serious like and no my so Musika to carry it will be a second seeker. What I say, Mempe beer a party polling station for no between now and 2028. How do you resource them to go and work for the party? As I say here, and then I consider executive say, no more municipal we must have a structure to every constituency. Say constituency be I am treasury big a crabbing to home. We be run a constituency. The catch bank say Seska way a rolling, nobody can touch it. Scano soon you pay the interest to your account, you roll over the money. Okay, I say obey for second scano. Now almost for Seska and manage constituencies because the constituencies here to be a sample position. I go back to square one. A pre 2016. And we cannot grow any serious party like that. And these are some of the things that we continue to talk about it. I don't know presidential primaries in January, and because you know the party for Nhyira party has only a sentiment. Party has only a sentiment because any a holding
right.
Into the next leadership, you must make sure there are certain key positions. It must come from this region.
Right.
And no Drew Kumasi and Kufu will be a motor because NPP need power. What I say, your power, I say, who could buy any free power to who will be a Boakye because a base Casimia. But we must move away from that. And it's fast and my OBOT, the NPP, BOT, BOT, and can who say, yes, here, Pebemam Nabe, you want to they cannot bypass me. I'm the best. I'm their best bet to win power for them.
All right.
And also, Ghana, I'm on your seminal. We have got to about a meeting of MPs need to win 140 name presidential. No, Namasa. We because I should be one shall about to us. Ghana about to be the numbers of seats will be in your parliament. Only determine Jubilee House. And your reverse. Say two abandon NPP 140 seats. We form government. That is intimate
right.
And the focus should be on the parliamentary seats. Also, if you are able to conduct fair primaries, but Abania to be a couture and asmaba. Now, your match chairman for Nina, consultant secretary, will resource Omo. I'm sure say it is about 70% of the job done.
Right.
And no, Nebema 2 million.
Okay. Final one, I'll bet just a quick one, 30 seconds. I didn't think that Moka someone pay fly over. Na mo pe community dabi o chire da ko se mo kwa ye se ye ti woni nyina mo
ka se nana ya na edu ba bia MPP for ya na pe ho asem
jare na mo ko pa che mpo
ya na pe ho asem because wo be classem we no bi ko chire mo yes wo the party asma ko tran ba bi ka mo so mo fa asem ne ba wo ye na che ba bi o me na me MP asma kan mu se ngeno kore enye no kore
man ko ka se mo pe
no kore pa mu MPP for mu tie ne mo amutie no caucus meet your parliament. And I can fret about it. As long as you MPC, as well as you say, you have roots in winning elections.
Can you
may I watch them catch all? Friend Pibia and all them all. Can you put them a catch all them? Caucus meeting, MPC organ of an engineer share. Parliament House. Kunufrata buy or cho. Or say nye roads they win elections.
Hey.
Oh, it's a some nekoda, man koda. Na yem bi test here there. Ube kana nye no kreba bi chiri. Na die enti na yem paka na fo chew. E die enti na fi say e dwane ahantare free hen. Sa dwane ahantare free hen. Obi so nkosa line trouble ma ho. So tumi hye wonsa. Na ube na tena ni so. Sa dwe kasa no. Mo kane ko kabia. Mo so obi kasa na boso. Obi ese na nya abutisem na okeka no. Ese mo kan nya abutisem na okeka no. Ese mo okeka no nya abutisem na okeka no. Time bena ye ta parliamenta. Ono bo mo kwata na be hia. Anya no kre. Rather ye ba kumase ha. Ena regional minister ni hia so obi anfa na key road bra na se me subi de me here key road bia. It be kwa dem ka say o subi de ya kwa na ye be be dem kakra say ye na be ye. And also to be here quiet because I don't know here subi quiet we really election ma NPP.
Yeah.
And you got on Kwabri for the next time Kwabri East Mikrum.
Yeah.
And the one for being called. But Subi be okay. Because the Kwabri was not chase Subi. And then they say can them, but the say only Asante PCI and the say communal routes. At the end.
Honorable Eugene,
maybe I don't know. I'm come on tomorrow.
Mate.
Maybe the partner we do know. Umunya party my son, any partner. No one come on to. But one question I said about almost check for bufu and not to quite cost between Napo and no. And yes, about platform be so. Yes, because as you didn't be yeah, time, yeah, in that rules for Kumasi region, yeah, time, and a year Kumasi city, side 10 consoles, yeah, more Juma, yeah, time in parliament. I was the Coco secretary. Or no, my push about Ashanti region. No, my push about Ashanti region. Nipa kasa wi na onidi wi osempa fo ka no baby aduno esre wo mo nkoma no to den party ma be kan se bi e mankofo bu afu because yen kora wa de we obi e ne ho a otumi bi gina platform so kasa e cha Ashanti region MPs was a hana abano dodo na afri na mo be wi na mo kwa mo de mo nkoro mo nye party man mo ko kwane ko kape na mo sa de nam ene ye se party na mo be kan se ma nye no kora na mete wa na mo be ka to me so e fa na mo kwata ne hia yes, President Sunni and another near Jubilee House. And may still roots. Yes, I know it happened. Yes, but when they can't fly, when another so President Shah also can consult as man. When they can't fly, or be a take one or the fly over there.
Quite America.
I quite America. I quite be a deeper first one.
My man can fly over and do nyai.
Me say, hey, Sapa Pano, on can unknown to more. Gabi. Maybe movie and Sapa Pano, so can unknown to
Mate.
You.
Honorable Eugene Boakye Antwi, a former member of Parliament, Subin. And General Secretary hopeful for the NPP. Courage, discipline,